Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn chapter 24, Analogies. Analogies. Do you know what is analogies? It is a comparison of one thing with another thing that has similar features. A comparison of one thing with another thing with similar features. That is called an analogy. Now let us learn certain analogies in this chapter. Section A. Question 1. Quack is to duck as bray is to donkey. These two are the sounds produced by these two different animals. One is the sound produced by a duck, that is a quack, and the cry of a donkey is called bray. So this is called an analogy, comparison of two things. Similarly, we will continue with the following questions. Question 2. Thumb is to hand. Thumb is to hand as toy is to the foot. Toy. Third, soldier is to army as sailor is to navy. Fourth, skin is to animals as bark is to tree. Fifth, school is to teacher as hospital is to doctor. 6. Malayalam is to Kerala as Oriya is to Odisha. 7. Black is to white as life is to death. Life is to death. 8. Air is to bird as water is to fish. 9. Cub is to lion as fawn is to deer. Fawn. 10. Rich is to poor as happy is to unhappy. See, all these wordings, these comparisons are analogies. So these are the answers of section A. Now section B. Connect by these writing the correct letter in the box. First one. Bible is to Christians as Quran is to Muslims. So option is C. Second. Tadpole is to frog as caterpillar is to butterflies. The option is E. Third, hangar is to aeroplanes as garage is to car. Yes, correct option is A. Fourth, a prisoner is to jail as a patient is to hospital. Correct option is F. Fifth one. A man is to woman as a horse is to mare. Correct option is B. 6. Bat is to ball as spoon is to fork. Correct option is D. So these are another set of analogies and the options are given. You mark it in your textbook. Now fill in the blanks. Complete each of the following incomplete statements. Question 1. An orange is to fruits as a cauliflower is to vegetables. So answer is vegetables. Second, food is to hunger as water is to thirst. Water is the answer. Third, Nile is to Egypt as the Thames is to England. England is the answer. Fourth, Lira is to Italy as Rial is to Iran. Fifth, Kabul is to Afghanistan as Bangkok is to Thailand. Sixth, Diet is to Japan as Parliament is to Britain. 7. Sunday is to Monday as Friday is to Saturday. So these are the answers of section C. Now see section D. Give one word to indicate the group for each of the series. One word. Pound, crown, mark, franc. The first question. What are they? They are currency. Second, rice, wheat, maize, millet. They are cereals. Third, typhoid, diphtheria, malaria, cholera. They are diseases. Fourth, iron, copper, gold, mica. They are minerals. Fifth, alligator, snake, lizard, crocodile. They are reptiles. Sixth, lung, kidney, heart, spleen. They are organs. 7. Car, bus, lorry, scooter. They are vehicles. 8. Pen, paper, pencil, rubber. They are stationery. So these are the answers of the section D. Now section E. Rearrange the following jumbled words. 3 words are given and the first one, the word, what is that? It is the name of an Indian river. And the answer is Krishna. Now you write this word with the proper spelling. Krishna. Second, it is a disease. What is it? Jaundice. So write it properly with the correct spelling. And third one, it is a musical instrument. Harmonium. So these 3 words are given in the jumbled words. And you arrange these words in proper way and you will get this correct answer. So my dear children, these are the answers of this chapter 24, analogies. So you mark and write these answers in your textbook and learn it very well. Okay? See you next class.